Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this Smashbox Always On Duo Molten, and I got this in the shade Rust Fund and XO Vlada, and this is one of the products from my first ever Chic beauty box. So I have that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel, and that box was good, but I wasn't like super impressed by it. But it sounds like that was a little bit off from how Chic beauty box usually is. But this little duo here, I was trying to look it up online. It almost feels like this is a product that is almost like a clearance product, a discontinued product. You can find it like on eBay and like reselling websites. I think like on Amazon for like $18.99. But the Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick is a classic Smashbox product, but I haven't tried out the metallic version. So I'm excited to see how these are going to look on me because I love a metallic matte liquid lip. And these are infused with primer oil. They're supposed to be super long lasting, and I love a long lasting liquid lip. So this duo has two full-size products, and of course first I'm going to start out with some swatches. So this shade here is called Rust Fund, which looks a little bit more in my comfort zone because it's a little bit more of like a red tone. So let's see. Oh no. It feels very dry, as if it's an old product. Like it's kind of crumbly, but that is really pretty. Like I love that metallic finish, and this is a really pretty color. Yeah, like even the way the product looks, like it just looks dry in here. And then this is the XO Vlada shade. And yeah, like the applicator just looks like the product is so dry on it, but it's a hollow, more pointy applicator, which I like for an applicator. Yeah, this more bronzy shade is a bit more out of my comfort zone, but the swatches are pretty, they're opaque, and I love the finish on them. So I'm excited to see how these are going to look on my lips. I think I'm going to stick with the one in my hand here, the XO Vlada, which is more of the bronze, more out of my comfort zone. And I just really want to see how this shade is going to look on me. So let's go ahead and see how it is on my lips. My lips are a little chapped and dry, so we'll see how this is on top of dry lips. Wow, first of all, that metallic shine is gorgeous. Kind of hard to rub my lips together because it is kind of dry already. Like I feel like I'm applying an already dried down matte liquid lip. Like it's going on with some opaque pigment looking nice, but I have to go over it and like really work with it to get it to actually apply. Wow, it's really looking like foiled copper on my lips right now. Definitely emphasizing the lines though, and the texture in my lips. However, it's not emphasizing dryness. Like it's looking just even in color, but it's evenly textured and like evenly emphasizing the lines in my lips. And this shade on me, not my most flattering. Even like the formula is so dry. I feel like if I were to pick up more, like it's hard to actually get some on the applicator. And I don't know if it's this product or if it's just what I got in my Chic beauty box. But for the fun of it, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Rust Fund shade on top, if I can pick any up on the applicator, just to see how this shade could look, hopefully a little bit more flattering on me. And just kind of fun to see how they look mixed together, which actually looks kind of cool. Oh my gosh. It's literally going on crumbly. That's how dry it is. And layering it up like this feels kind of uncomfortable. Like, it feels like I have such a thick, dry, crumbly layer on my lips. However, the shade is kind of awesome. Like, I feel like the formula of these is really nice. The pigment, the metallic finish is awesome. They're just so dry, so textured on my lips. So much so that it makes me like a little bit like self-conscious to wear it on my lips because of how dry and like textured and how many lines it really like emphasizes on my lips. But let's see how much transfer there is. Yeah, I mean, absolutely no transfer, which is awesome. It's completely intact now. And I am really loving this combination of the two colors together. I probably would never have tried out this color combination, but now seeing it together is actually so flattering and wearable. I feel like I just need a nice moisturizing clear gloss topper on this, and that could really help the situation going on because I love the metallic shine, love the color. It's just how like dry, heavy, textured, uncomfortable it is. And so there's pros and cons to this product. But, you know, if you've tried out the Smashbox Metallic Always On liquid lipstick, let me know if it's this dry or is it just the duo that I happen to get in Chic Beauty Box, in which case I'm pretty disappointed in that box for sending me such an old product. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.